Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make a calculator app using Python. So a side note before only, this won't be a GUI one like you can see on Windows or Linux. It will be a CLI one, means you have to type for doing the specific function. And the fun fact here is that we will be creating it using Python. So let's get into the video. As you can see, we are on our computer screen, and we will start. I will launch up the Python IDE. We are not using Visual Studio Code for this case. I will launch it. Okay, so I will open this file here, which is calc. I have already created a file, calc.py. It's open. I will close the shell. Maximize it. I have written some code here. I will be deleting this for the tutorial. Okay, first we will be creating an input variable. In this we will give the user opportunity to decide which operation you want to continue with: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So we will create a variable named choice is equal to int. Yes, we will be using numbers for getting the input from the user instead of direct words. Then enter the operation you want to continue with. Then we will give them option by 1 is equal to addition slash 2 is equal to subtraction, and I will give a colon for make it neat. Close this, close the input, then close it whole. Okay, now we will create another variable named add, which will be 1, then another variable 2. After this we will be creating a if statement. In this we will be writing if choice is equals to add, means if the user inputs 1, means you want to continue with the operation of addition. Then for now we will be keeping it simple and just making a simple print command add. Later we will be adding the operations in it. I will copy the whole. I will copy it same, control C, change it a bit, make it elif, make it sub, and also print sub. I will F5, enter. I'll expand this a bit. Okay, now we will be entering 1, so it has printed add, because add we have designated 1 to add, and if choice is add, then the Python will print add. But what if we enter 2? So I will run it again. 2, it has sub, like that, simple. Now we will be adding the mathematical operations in it. So first we will create this. We will write op1. op1 means option 1. Okay, so here op1 will be, instead of using int means integer, we will be using float. Now what is the purpose of float? Float helps entering decimals for an input command. If we will be using int and then the user inputs a decimal, it will give a traceback error. So and it gives a wide variety of numbers so that the user can enter. Then input, then we will writing enter first number, colon, and close this all. One more, yeah, done. Next we will be making op2 is equal to float input enter second number. This is correct. Next we will be as this addition, so I am creating a variable named sum. It's up to you what variable you create. Sum is equal to op1 plus op2. Now then print the sum is, then comma sum variable, give it a bracket. I'll give one more comma here. No need. So we will be running that. I'll save it. Come here, enter 1. We will be entering our first number as 1, second number as 2. The sum is 3, and it is giving a decimal point because we have inserted float instead of int, which stands for integer. Okay, I will be copying this whole same, Control C, instead of doing the same. Just the thing is, I am changing this to sub. You can name it as you like. It's up to you that what you name your variable. And here instead of sum, I'll write answer is sub. I'll run it again, save the code. I'll expand it for a better view. Then 2, first number will be writing 5, second number will be writing 3. Answer is 8 because we haven't changed the operation here. It is still showing plus, and we will just create a dash which is for minus. I will close this shell and run this code again, save it. Let me expand it. 2, 5, 3, and the answer is 2. It is working correct. Now the same we will be making it for division and multiplication. The process will be same, and after creating that I will show you how it all is.
Few moments later.
Okay, so we are back, and as you can see I have updated the code. So I have just copied the previous lines and made minor changes. For example, I have copied and pasted it 2 times, and instead of this I have changed it to mul and div because I have created 2 new variables which are 3 and 4, which are this 3 stands for multiplication and 4 stands for division. Now if choice is equal to multiplication, which mul, if the user input 3, then float, enter the first number, goes on. Product is equal to first into, for in computer you don't have that x symbol, so instead of that you have to enter the star into answer 2, then print the product is this variable. Product means the product of op1 and op2. Then we have here div, which is if user inputs 4, then it will go towards division, and here it will be, and in computer you don't also have division symbol, so you have to use slash. So then answer is equal to option 1 divided by option 2, then print answer is, answer means this variable. So I will be running this and let's see it works or not. I will be starting with multiplication. First number will be 2, second number will be 3, and the product is 6. It works. Now let's go for division. 4, first number will be 25, then 5, and answer is 5. So by this you have created a basic calculator, and this is a simple project that you can practice. Okay, so by this you have created a basic calculator. It is a fun and little project that you can do in your holidays or in a free time as well. We can add more things. For example, as you can see that if I run this, if I select any operation 5 minus 2, then it exits, means it closes the program. So we can create a system in which it will ask the user that do you want to go to the calculator again, means it will be asking that do you want this statement again, so the functions can happen again. And this was it, and it was a little video. Hopefully it has helped you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.